Good morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. I'm Jake Fulmer.
And I'm Courtney Galvan.
Stephen Paul Jobs was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor, and media proprietor. He was the chairman, CEO, and co-founder of Apple Incorporated.
Quality is much better than quantity. One home run is much better than two doubles. Steve Jobs.
Club Ed will have special guest speakers Tuesday, February 1st at lunch in room 476. New members are welcome. Don't forget, we also show the movie Encanto after school on Friday, February 4th at 3:15 p.m.
Last Generation Dance Team will be holding re-auditions and callbacks on Monday, January 31st at 3 p.m. in the dance room, room 344. Bring water, comfortable clothes, and a mask. If you have any questions, please message our Instagram page at lastgen.sbhs. We hope to see you there.
Attention, hey Baylor athletes, spring sports start today, Monday, January 31st. If you are interested in playing baseball, boys golf, lacrosse, softball, boys tennis, track and field, swim or boys volleyball, please make sure you are cleared before going to tryouts at the Students Activities and Athletics office in Route 340. Thank you.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and remember,
Go Baylors!